When I decided to start off my weight loss journey, one of the questions I had was how many days a week should I work out for to start lose weight as a fitness beginner? So I would like to spend some time today and share some of my point of views and experiences regarding this particular question. What I'm about to share with you is something that many people don't actually talk about. Coming up. Hey, this is Max. I am an average working dude with a busy lifestyle. I'm on a journey to find my max by learning sustainable fitness lifestyle. Join me on this journey and see how you can find your max. Before we start, I want to quickly thank Find Your Max merch for sponsoring today's video, but we will talk more about that later. All right, the reason why I start off my weight loss journey was because that I hated my body at the time. I had low energy and I couldn't breathe properly. And I went to see a doctor and my doctor told me that if I don't make some sort of changes now, I will be needing medication soon. And at that time, I was 30, okay? I was super young. So I have decided to change my life and start my weight loss journey. And then I had a question about how many days a week should I work out? You know, as a fitness beginner at the time, you know, I'm a daily working person and I had a startup company, and how much days should I be working out? Now, as I continue on this journey, I realized this was something that many people are asking. So today I will be sharing some of my thoughts and experiences and try to answer this particular question with you. At the time, I understand the importance of working out and how executing a consistent workout plan can help increasing my overall health and make my body look better. Now, as I researched on how to lose weight on the internet, and I saw all those bodybuilders or Instagram models, they're all saying something like, you know, they work out 5 to 6 days a week and with a very strict diet plan. Now, most of them have this no pain, no gain model, which is very stressful for me back then. And I was very nervous to actually step into the journey because I thought to actually see results, I need to treat fitness like a full-time job. I tried out their plans, but I'm not able to follow through to build a consistent workout routine. At the time, I associate working out with pains and hard work. Therefore, I wasn't able to have a long-term exercising habit and always looking for some quick or easy ways to lose weight and some fad diet. That's some strange ways to lose a couple pounds. One thing I learned now is that for most of us, working out is for health or weight loss purpose, right? So I think fitness is not our job. So we shouldn't be treating our workout and exercises as a painful chore. I realized this no pain, no gain model, it's great if I want to become a professional bodybuilder. I need to take it up a notch down the road if I gained the interest into bodybuilding or decided to become a competitive athlete, and then I would be more okay with this strict lifestyle. I need this strict lifestyle in order to push to the next level, right? However, for most people, it is not really necessary. So then how many days should a fitness beginner work out in a week? Before I continue, I want to quickly thank Find Your Max merch for sponsoring today's video. Now a little quick word from them. Your Max merch store is a fitness-related design that is motivating, funny, and sometimes sarcastic. The print-on-demand store is a great environmentally friendly way to shop for your next t-shirt, hoodies, or your phone case because they do not carry any inventory. When you want it, we will print it and ship it to you so we don't waste any resource that will pollute the environment. Make sure to check it out. Find Your Max merch store. And the links are in the description down below. Now, back to the topic. As I continue with my journey, I realized there is no exact days on how many days that you should be working out in a week for weight loss. I started to focusing on simply starting small, regardless of how many days a week that professionals are saying. Many online training programs or YouTube videos are suggesting 3 to 5 days a week of training to see noticeable results. And I totally agree with it, okay? But it's so much easier for me to say it now to work 3 to 5 days a week. There are times I do like 6 or 7 days a week, but it's now. After 3 years into this journey, and I have built a habit of working out. You know, now I even feel very anxious if my days are packed and I'm not able to go to the gym and I have to miss my training. But I wasn't always like this, right? You know, back in the day, I was overweight, I was low energy. I didn't look forward to the pain that is coming ahead. So this is not until I start seeing some sort of results and just, you know, building that habit. And now going to the gym or going for exercise is like a therapy session for me to de-stress, and this eventually become a habit of mine. There are many videos and many professional trainers out there telling you science-based fact on what is the best way to lose weight. I really want to stress out that I agree with all that, because there are science to it. However, it's ultimately up to me at the time to actually execute those plans, right? So if a plan requires me to work out 5 days a week, but as a fitness beginner at the time, I had to work a full-time job. I was working on my startup company. I was also volunteering at a church. Well, guess what? I wasn't able to follow through with the plan because it was very stressful to fit that plan into my lifestyle at the time. So working out 5 days a week is really tough for people who don't have a habit of doing so. How many days a week that should you be working out for weight loss is really depending on your individual circumstances. I realize working out is not the only factor for weight loss, and that's the only one part of the equation, but having a consistent workout habit is great for your overall health in general. Therefore, I'll be suggesting when starting off, commit to exercise that you enjoy at minimum once a week, and gradually increase the workout days for the week as you build that habit. I feel this is the best way to start off for any fitness beginner who doesn't have a workout habit already. Now notice that I said do the exercise or the workouts that you enjoy first, rather than doing the program that are great for weight loss. Because you know what, following those programs, maybe you're not comfortable with those exercises, maybe you actually hate them, right? So if you don't like to doing them, well, guess what? Your mental power will only go so far. So if you like walking, well, you know what? Go walking. Go window shopping at a mall, right? If you like biking, go biking. If you like basketball, play basketball. Like for me, I like badminton before, so maybe I'll go play some badminton, right? Now, I understand all this is very counterintuitive to most suggestions out there on the internet, but I feel as a fitness beginner that who really truly want to see some results, doing this at the beginning of the stage will increase the likelihood of creating a long-lasting habit. And I believe this is the most sustainable advice for anyone who are starting off. The reason why I'm not giving you an exact number of days because I want you to focus on building a habit rather than follow what my workout routine is. I believe once you have some sort of habit built up, then you can easily implement any workout plans that truly fit your lifestyle, your workout needs, and your fitness goals. It doesn't matter if it's your bodybuilding training, CrossFit, or functional training. The takeaway from today's video is really just recognizing when you first start off your weight loss journey, don't focus on following a program, rather focusing on building a workout habit. However, if you're still looking for some sort of beginner workout plan, I have created a free beginner workout plan where you can download and print it off, use it as a template as your starting point. You can download the PDF for free and the links are in the description box down below. I have also created a playlist for fitness beginner like I was with no prior exercising experiences so you can build up a sustainable workout habits. You should be able to see it now. Now, until next time, peace.